Good morning again. I don't even know what day it is. All I know is today is the day of the women's race. So I'm gonna head over potentially 2 separate rides, maybe riding with some Italian pros, maybe not. It depends if they've already set off or not. So I'm going to be doing that. And there's going to be loads of riding, loads of racing, and hopefully loads of sunshine. So I'm going to head off now. I'll see you in a little bit. So I'm here now with the Italian team just behind me. I'm going to see how long I can hold on to the ride. It should be about an hour and a half. Oh, thank you for inviting us on the ride.
No problem.
Yeah.
It's not fast, no?
No fast. Only 50.
The weather was impressive. Change every 10 minutes. Rain, sun, rain, sun. Yeah.
You know?
I see yesterday a lot of people in the shorts.
Yeah.
Even for us was cold.
Yeah.
And tomorrow will be interesting to see because you know if you cover a lot with the rain jacket and then it'll be warm.
Yeah.
Take it off, put it in again.
Cheers.
Saying they're all in the thermals and we are in like short sleeves. How is it riding with the pros?
Brilliant.
So,
to keep up.
I was gonna say not so fun on the hills though.
They're on their phones.
I know. Currently trying to find Italian coffee shop in England. Did you enjoy the ride?
Yeah, it was brilliant. Yeah, just like grit and tape held on at the end.
We did, we were holding on.
We got there. Now for coffee.
Now for coffee. I don't even drink coffee, but I might have one with these guys. So I managed to cling on to their training ride, which was, they are just insane. Like I know they're fast, but bloody hell, they were just like taking the jackets off and I'm doing full gas up a hill. I'm like, I've got to stay on. And the lovely team car, well, the team van or whatever it was just like helping me, tow me back onto him. So they're all inside now, I'm getting some coffee. You know I don't drink coffee. I might even, if they're saying this is good coffee, maybe I'll go in and get one.
Okay. Alright, cake.
How is it?
Well, yeah, it's one of the best ones I've ever had. This.
Good.
Yeah.
You're on camera. You can't just see.
I felt like a little bit of a stalk in there when because I was just messaging Grace before saying I've lost him, could not keep up, done.
I tried to find them in Harrogate.
Yeah, and then I just took a picture of them saying I found him, and they were all behind us. And I thought this so looks like I'm just trying to get a picture of them, not saying that I found Andy.
Thank you so much for having us along. Thank you. Good luck tomorrow.
Thank you.
Set up, so you got the mechanics over there, all the bikes there, wheels, more bikes. I'm just saying, like, it's actually just really interesting to see like how the setup of it all works. So yeah, I feel very privileged to come and have a little sneaky peek behind the scenes, and obviously I want to share that with you lot. So
Ciao for hello and goodbye.
yeah, I think so.
Spanish down there.
I love that. Let's go get them too. Come on.
Hola.
What was it called? Betty O?
Oh, was it?
Education guy, yeah.
Yeah, so at the very end of the ride, we're just riding along and he's like, passes me his phone. He's like, oh, take a picture of me. And I was like, fucking, I'm either going to drop his phone or just smash right into him. And you were just behind like, oh no, don't drop it, don't hit him.
I didn't want to be involved in the moment.
I didn't either, but it all went well. It went fine. You look pro sat like that. I try and look like that.
Andy has like all of
the pro move.
Yeah. I've done it in the mirror, you know, practice.
I reckon he actually has.
I
shouldn't have told you.
Lean over like this. I look ridiculous with this bloody bag on the front, though, don't I?
Well pro that, mate. It's well pro.
We're gonna get some photos. Right, we need multiple moves.
Wait, just make sure
Right, next one.
Work it.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, next. We need to be filming this as well.
The winning pose.
No, because he's going to smash into us. Andrew, don't.
He's going to hit that. Winning pose.
To celebrate celebration.
Oh. Look at the size of this spider, so that's the sink. Look at the size of him. Hi there. The sun is out. There is no rain. I am happy. Gonna go and watch the women's race now. So, what a great morning.
I'm gonna go there tomorrow.
This is the VIP area, but the women are going to be coming past the circuit pretty soon. So we're going to head out and see them come past.
Of noise. It won't be too long before she does. She's on her way out to the bed of the short roundabout.
I'm just outside. I'm actually sat inside watching because I want to see what's actually happening. And I just feel so sad for Lizzie Diner. Like she's literally just come past. She's on the circuit now.
She's just ahead, just hovering.
She's just
this is a
dropped too far behind, I think.
Finish for everybody here.
It's so exciting. I think there's what is the difference now?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
The gap has Chloe Dygert started to crack a little bit
insane.
on the course.
So Van Vleuten's been on her own for like, I think he said like 70 odd K, 76K.
It's making it so much easier for
So Van Vleuten is literally 2 minutes ahead. There's like she's 2K that way, and we're just all waiting now for the finish. She's just won, so. Right, so these are the sheep, the Santini sheep.
Well, you did
everyone's
the
been
voiceover.
saying, yeah, John did the voiceover.
You're good. You can. No, I can't do that.
Do it! What is going on?
Santini.
Good evening. I don't even remember the last bit of film, to be honest, but been back, had some tea, got changed, and then I'm now heading back to the Starling for the Rapper Women's Pie. But there's probably only about half an hour of it left because I've been editing my video, so the things I do for YouTube. But no, it's just been such a good day. Just chatting, like watching the women's race. The women's race was just insane. Like that was a brilliant race. And yeah, just catching up with different people, and I just don't want it to end. Yeah, sorry, I've not filmed anything from the last time that I was on. Went into the salon, just been in there all night really. Just been chatting. I just don't feel like in that situation, like I don't want to whip the camera. I don't mind in the day when everyone's kind of around, but when you're chatting at night, it's almost like it's just nice just to chat and enjoy the company. So apologies, but I will be filming tomorrow, so don't worry. I've got the men's race tomorrow, so let's go and chuck it down. Okay, I want to go, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. It is just starting to rain already, so I think we've got a lot more in store tomorrow.